Hi, good morning. I'm Mike with Construction Specialties, and we're here at the Lawrence Home Show with
Michelle Fales with Invista Credit Union.
one of the things that we can help with our customers is the financing. We work with great lenders like Michelle at Invista, who can pull all kinds of neat tricks out of the bag to help with financing your remodeling project.
Yes, I love to work with Mike. If he has a client that is in need of financing, then he hooks me up with them and we just discuss it to see how we can meet their needs.
Can you kind of go over a little bit how we work through a remodeling project and how the valuation is determined, and how that tool can be used to help finance small or larger projects?
Yeah, what we do is we work with Mike and we get a cost estimate, and then based off that cost estimate and whether the individual is purchasing a home or already has an existing home, we order an appraisal, and it's called a subject to appraisal. So instead of the appraiser telling us what the house is worth today, they tell us what the value will be with all those improvements done. And then we are able to loan based off of that subject to value. Therefore, we're able to normally loan quite a bit more money.
So, Michelle, how long do you think it takes from start to finish to finance a project?
Once the client has provided all the financials that I need, I am normally able to provide approval within a day or two. And then the next step is ordering title work and the appraisal. And so as long as I have that cost estimate, the appraisal takes approximately a week, title work about a week. And so I would say 2 to 3 weeks minimum, 4 weeks maximum. The only thing they have to remember is if they're using their existing home, they've got a 3-day right of rescission that gets thrown in there, which slows the process down a little bit. But I would say 3-4 weeks max.
Great. And outside of just the general financing options, are there any specialty items or potential curveball things that you can throw in that might help in individual specific situations?
Yeah, we like to look at the whole picture. So when I meet with a client, or in our case it's called a member, we kind of look at what are all their assets, what do they have that can help the picture. So maybe the appraisal doesn't totally support all the money they're putting in for whatever reason. Maybe they're starting with a high loan to value, but they have a vehicle that's paid off. Well, I can throw that vehicle into the mix to get them some additional money. Had a couple recently, that's exactly what they did. They actually got into a project with no cash in by using their vehicle as the additional collateral. And so we just kind of look at the whole picture and see what we can do to make it work.
Thank you very much for watching. You can visit Michelle and I at the home show through Sunday at 4.